Good day everyone. Today I'm going to have my first unboxing, and this product is called USB network adapter, USB gigabit Ethernet, and the other one is UGREEN Ethernet cable CAT8 network cable. And the price for the first one is 1,045 and the other one is 935 together with a shipping fee. Don't worry, I will put down the links of these products at the description below. So why I bought this product? First is my laptop don't have a LAN port, and for my internet to have a very good speed, I bought this one to connect from the router to my laptop. And this is I guess this is 5 meters, now 5 meters. And without further ado, let's unbox this product here. First, we're going to open this one, and the next will be this one. Okay, for this product, this is what's inside the package. As you can see, you will see this one. This is a paper. That's the paper about their products, and then you can see also a strap, and of course the product. So as you can see, there's no dents, and perfect, very beautiful package. So I guess I have to put this one here, and I have to cut. I have to cut here. There's a scissor, and then I will cut here and open this up. Okay, I will put that one. Okay, I have to, wow. Okay, this is what's inside the box. Oh wow, very beautiful packaging. So this is our product, and then I also have here a CD. I guess this is the driver, and also the manual. Okay, this is a 3-port USB 3.0 hub with gigabit Ethernet adapter. So this is written in English. It's written in English. So wow. And then also, if you open this one, we have here a very beautiful product. So we have a 3 USB 3.0. As you can see, we have a blue one, and then if you take out this plastic here, you will have our Ethernet LAN port. Okay, so you see that one, and on the other side there's nothing. And also we have a DC 5 volts. I don't know how to use this one. Maybe I will look at it later. And as you can see, this is the UGREEN USB 3.0 multifunction USB hub. So I'm gonna test this one later if this product is working. And then also as you can see here, we have a blue colored this is also a USB 3.0. okay, so I'm gonna test this one later. I will see if my internet speed is better now if I will connect my LAN USB adapter, Ethernet adapter. And also, okay, I will put this one here. So this is our product. Okay, and also for this package here, this is a CAT8 Ethernet cable. So if you open this product here, we have the same. We have the same, this one. I have two, and I also have a strap. And then what's on the inside? There's nothing. I have to put this one here, and we have a very good package. So this is a UGREEN Ethernet cable. So if you open this one, okay, so very nice plastic pouch, and wow, I have this cable now. Okay, and if I will untie this one and also this one, okay, I will untie this. So I have, this is 5 meters CAT8 Ethernet cable. This is color black. I saw in the LAZADA web page, I saw a color white, color blue, so I choose this one, color black. So if you open this one, how to get this off? How to get this off? Okay, so I don't know how to get this one. Oops. Okay. No, I don't know how to get this off from the, okay, I think I have to push this thing here, and then this plug here will go out. So if I insert this to, I think this one, this is the correct one. If I, okay, so this is good. So okay, if I remove this one, so I have this one. Okay, so this is 5 meters CAT8 Ethernet cable. So I will test this one later, and I will test my internet speed if there's an increase in my internet speed. Okay, thank you for listening. Okay, at this point I'm going to test my internet speed without using this one, Ethernet LAN adapter, and the UTP CAT8 cable. And as you have noticed here, I have an LTE connection, and it's 2 bars. So let's test this one. I have to press this one, go, and as you can see, it's calculating. So I guess we have to wait for this one to calculate. or internet speed. Okay, so I guess it's much close to so 14, I guess. So we have 14.44 our download speed Mbps, and for our upload speed we have point 63. So as you can see here, this is my download and my upload speed for an LTE Wi-Fi my home broadband. It's a globe, and this is our upload speed 4.63. Okay, we'll come back to the third part. So at this point in time, I connected my my Ethernet adapter, and also I connect my UTP CAT8 cable to the router. So let's test if there's an improvement with my internet speed. So let's check it first. As you can see, still LTE and 2 bars, and I have to press this one. Okay, so as you can see, it's calculating, and okay, I have, wow, it goes up to 26.56 as my new download speed. And for the upload speed, so I guess I have a constant 0, so it's not uploading something. Okay, it's not uploading, so I guess I have to upload something, or to, okay, I guess I have to do something with this upload speed. So maybe I have to log into my globe at home. Okay, so I'm going to test again. So as you can see, it's call this one calculating. So again, I have, wow, it's more than 20. Okay, so we have, okay, 23.47 as another my new download speed. And for the upload speed, so we have, okay, 0.26, okay, 0.26. So I guess it's better than I did not attach my Ethernet adapter. But as you can see here, I have a great increase for my download speed. But if I have to test this one, example, I'm going to open this page here. Okay, so as you can see, it's got better. so it's downloading fast. So I'm happy with this product. Okay, so it's downloading so fast, unlike before. Okay, so I guess the that's all for this unboxing. Thank you so much for watching.